Welcome, in this video I will show you how to toggle hotkey mode on LENOVO V15. First of all, enter BIOS. To do that, turn off your PC completely. Once it completely powers off, short press the power button and then start immediately pressing F2 button repeatedly until BIOS menu appears on your screen. And then use left and right arrow keys to navigate between tabs, and down and up arrow keys to navigate between options. This way, navigate to the hotkey mode, and to change this its value, press enter, then select enabled to enable it, or disabled to disable it. And to apply changes, press F10 and enter. Then you will exit this menu. To restore default values, press F9, and to exit without changes, press escape. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.